what's happening? We got the 2025 KLX 140RF. I got the black on black Pro Taper bar pad. We're gonna go ahead and install that on the handlebars. I have a broken elbow, so I'm gonna see if I can push this on with just my right hand. My left elbow is fucked up. You're sliding around there, buddy. Come on. All right, we're gonna have to use two hands. Let's be very careful here. There we go. It's not hurt the elbow. Come here. All right. Didn't hurt myself, so that's a plus. So I'm not supposed to really be doing any of this with my elbow, but you know, shit happens. And stuff came in, and my elbow was broken, and I wanted to put it on, so. Yo, that's badass, dude. That's so tough. We got a lot more stuff to put on, but I'm gonna change the view, but I wanted to do this first because it was the easiest thing to do. I got one clicked in, that's good. Just a little bit. That's tough, dude. Bar pad installed.